All right, picture this. You grab your morning coffee where the water is literally your backyard. In this tour, I'm gonna show you this waterfront paradise out here in Hawaii Kai, where every sunset seems like a private show. Let's dive in. All right, guys, let's check out this very unique property. Now, we're gonna start with the main living space because when it comes to living in Hawaii, you really wanna experience the common space. And this place has a lot to offer when it comes to that. Now, as soon as you walk in, you have these high vaulted ceilings that not only feel like it's very spacious, but also allows a lot of natural light to come in. And that's what you're definitely gonna experience here, not from only all the updated windows here, but also these accordion doors that allows the indoor and outdoor space to become one. Now, when you have a property that's a statement property, you're gonna wanna have a statement kitchen, and this definitely is that. As you walk in, you'll see that you have the quartz countertops, fully updated cabinetry, as well as stainless steel appliances and the really nice stuff, Thermodor. Now, the owners of this home did brand new renovations. They spent over $650,000, and it was supposed to be their personal home. Now, because of unfortunate situations, they are having to sell, but that could be a huge bonus for you if you're looking to pick this property up. Now, what you'll notice in every single corner is the space is very well utilized and lots of nice features. One, for example, is this accent wall. You can see you could, of course, put a TV here, just put a bunch of your random things, but nonetheless, you do have a nice LED strip to light up this space. Now let's experience the rest of the home. Now, I didn't actually go over the specs. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 2,000 square foot of living area and sitting on a 7,500 square foot lot right on the water. But let's take a look at some of the bedrooms and office space. Now, this home actually has 2 primary suites. We have one in the front and one in the back, and I'm not sure which one I actually prefer because this one is extremely spacious. And wait till you see this bathroom. It is a proper primary bathroom. We're now standing in the second primary, and again, I'm not sure which one I actually like more because the first one we saw, extremely spacious, but this one gives you the multi-million-dollar view. Check this out. Now, if you're gonna live in Hawaii, you wanna do it right. And this property definitely allows you to do that with the natural flow and seamless flow when it comes to indoor and outdoor living. You gotta check this out. Now, this is the best part of the home. Now, it hasn't been the best weather the last couple of days. I'm not sure if you saw some of the weather. It is raining a little bit, but you still have a stunning view. And one thing that's actually really important to understand, especially when you're living on the water and in Hawaii Kai, is when you're looking around at how close these properties are to the water, this one is actually lifted up. And with how much water we had, it's really not much of a concern. As you can see, there's plenty of space. So that's a really important aspect when looking at any homes in Hawaii Kai. So that makes me feel really good about it. But getting back to the rest of the property, you can see that there's a lot of entertaining you can do from the indoor to the outdoor very seamlessly, not only with a beautiful view of the water, but a stunning view of Koko Head. Additionally, if you're gonna live on the water, you may or may not want a boat, but if you are gonna have a boat, you're gonna need a dock option. Now, a lot of homes don't come with the dock. Sometimes they don't even come with the infrastructure to build a dock, which can cost you a lot of money. Now, this property already does have the infrastructure, and for about $20,000, $25,000, you can add a floating dock here very easily. All right, guys, well, that pretty much wraps it up. If you have any questions about this property or any properties out here in Hawaii, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Patrick Longley with Team Roger That. Hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.